Hi, I'm Ryan Fisher. I'm a partner here at Lowe Scott Fisher, and I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes about automobile insurance, and specifically, what type of automobile insurance do my clients wish they had after they were involved in an accident. Automobile insurance, as you probably know, is required under Ohio law, and about 75 to 80% of drivers in Ohio actually have insurance, which leaves 20 to 25% as uninsured. They're actually driving in violation of Ohio law. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage is the first type of insurance I strongly recommend all people to have. Nobody likes insurance. Nobody likes to go buy insurance. There's not another service out there that you spend hundreds of dollars on, and then when you need it, you got to hire a lawyer to fight for it. But you do need it. It's really important. And I understand trying to save money, but there's a couple areas where you shouldn't try to save money. First off, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Here's what that is. That means if you're involved in an accident with another driver and it's their fault, and they either do not have insurance or don't have enough insurance to compensate you, your own insurance will basically serve as their insurance company to compensate you completely for the injuries that you sustain. UIM is how we refer to it. Used to be required in Ohio, and it's not anymore. Because it's not required, a lot of motorists decide they can save some money and not buy that type of coverage. Big mistake. Please don't do that. I always ask my clients, why would you worry about insuring the other guy and not insuring yourself or your loved ones that are in your own car? It's not real expensive. It's usually less than 10 or 15% of your entire policy cost. And not only should you have UIM coverage, but you should have at least $100,000 in coverage for that. So keep that in mind when you're buying insurance. Please don't try to save money at the expense of your own safety or the safety of your family members. The other type of coverage that you should have is medical payments coverage. So medical payments coverage is coverage to pay your medical bills if you're injured in an accident, irrespective of whose fault the accident is. You could drive your car into the back of the garage and get injured. Clearly that's your fault, but your own medical payments coverage would pay for your medical bills. No questions asked. A lot of people think they don't need medical payments coverage because they have health insurance, and that's not true. Health insurance only pays a portion of your medical bills. People have deductibles, they have copays, they have out-of-pocket costs for pharmaceuticals and things. If you have medical payments coverage, it will pay those bills in full without copays and without deductibles. Medical payments coverage is a tiny cost. $20-$30 for 6 months of medical payments coverage. So I could go on, but basically make sure when you renew your policy that you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, that you have at least $100,000 of that coverage, and that you have medical payments coverage. If you have any questions about automobile insurance or your own automobile insurance, give us a call here at Lowe Scott Fisher. We'll be glad to talk to you for a few minutes and give you some pointers. Thank you.